I want to go back real quick. I'm just going to address the last part of this question because I think we can genericize it in a way to kind of address it. Basically, this is a contractor. He's asking a customer wants to purchase equipment from the internet to save money. What is our suggestion with dealing with this?
Oh,
So what I'll say is, the average homeowner doesn't understand what it takes to run a business. They don't know everything that goes into the overhead, right? So I've had contractors in the past. What they'll do is you'll just up their labor cost. They'll roll in what they lost on the equipment into labor costs and charge that. And if you don't get the job, well, you don't want that anyways, because if you take that equipment that the homeowner purchased and you install it, well, guess what? Now you own the warranty on that. You're the one who installed it. You put hands on it. It's your problem now. So what you need to do is just increase the cost of your labor, your installation, to cover all those additional costs. And again, if you don't win the job, that's probably not a job you wanted anyways, because you're going to end up losing on it, right? So if you have customers coming to you wanting you to install equipment that they purchased, you know, cover yourself, right? Because you don't know where they purchased it from, if that was a reliable source. You just don't know. So my suggestion is make it worth your while or walk away.
He said he did appreciate that answer about the pricing thing. He said increasing labor costs is a great idea. What is Gree's warranty policy when equipment is purchased online? So I can answer that. So our policy is if it's not installed by a licensed contractor, there is no warranty. So when it's an online purchase, or I've said this before in other broadcasts, we sell through Home Depot and stuff like that. The agreement is it still has to be installed by a licensed contractor. So we need proof of purchase and we need a proof of the install invoice from when the unit was installed. They can't provide that showing that it was installed by a licensed contractor, then there is no warranty because it's not a do-it-yourself unit. When a do-it-yourself unit, buy a do-it-yourself unit. We don't support or sell those.
right. Like I bought a do-it-yourself electrical panel. We'll see how
And
that
his house hasn't burned down yet.
exactly.
Awesome.
It hasn't done not yet. But if it does, it's on me, right?
Thanks for getting involved. If you need more answers, catch us live every month when we tackle your questions in real time. Head over to greecomfort.com/gree-training where you can register for the next Talking Comfort Live. See you there.